Hey guys, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely wonderful day. I am really excited. As you can see from the description, we do have some more items that have been sent in for review. It's a beautiful pair of earrings. This was very kindly sent to me for review and to share with you guys by a very pleasant lady named Jordan. She has an Etsy page, and I'm going to attempt to say the name. It is Druzy. I have a business card here, so I'm going to show you. And her products are absolutely beautiful. She does have a variety. She does not just do earrings. She does have many earrings to choose from, but she also has necklaces, bracelets, keychains, just, you know, such a wide variety, and everything is absolutely gorgeous. So I will make sure to link her Etsy page down below so you can head over and check out all of her amazing products. The earrings that she sent to me are the Druzy Droop earrings, and they are $8. There is a small shipping charge, but the shipping is super fast. So I think that it's definitely worth it. And like I said, all of her products are so beautiful, and everything is reasonably priced, so you cannot beat it. The Druzy drop earrings that she sent to me, I'll peek in the bag and see the color in just a second. Everything is in here. So I do know that there is a variety of colors. If you do like the Druzy drop, you can, you know, certainly purchase those and pick a different color. So let's go ahead and dive in here and see what we've got. I do know also that she very kindly sent an additional pair of earrings because she did know about our 1,000 subscriber giveaway, so she wanted to send a pair to put into the giveaway. So I thought that was so sweet and great for you guys. So if you have not already, make sure to subscribe, and the link will be down below for you to enter the giveaway. So the extra pair that she sent will be put into the box with all of the other goodies. So you definitely want to subscribe so you can enter that giveaway. So we are gonna go ahead here and take a look at this first pair of earrings that she sent to me. I do not have any earrings on today because I knew she was sending these. So let's take a look here. Okay. We've got the two pairs. This is the pair. Oh my goodness, you guys, these are gorgeous. Can you see these? Like, these are so beautiful. And I dropped them. Hold on. Okay, sorry. They absolutely are beautiful, and I love how they go from like a darker blue to like a teal to like an aqua. They pick up the light so beautifully. Let me take these little backs off here. And I'm gonna put these on because, like I said, these are gorgeous. Can get them on. Okay, there we go. So these, how cute, you guys. They are so beautiful. I love them. They are gorgeous. I just can't get over how the light picks up and changes the colors. That is just so pretty to me. So these were the ones that she sent to me. Now I'm going to show you guys the ones that she sent for the giveaway. They are super cute as well. They are like a little tassel. They've got a like little silver like arrow beads. You can see just how gorgeous they are. So these will be added to our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So again, if you have not, make sure to subscribe so that you can enter the contest. Again, that link will be down below, so you have a chance to win those earrings plus everything else that is in that box. And like I said, I will make sure to link her Etsy site down below so you can head over and check out all of her amazing products. Like I said, her jewelry is absolutely gorgeous and so reasonably priced. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I know that I am just in love with these earrings. I think they are just so beautiful. And I hope that everyone has a wonderful day and that you enjoyed this video. So until the next one, I will talk with you guys later.